Before we begin the video, we want to let you know this is not financial advice, and the video is for educational and learning purposes only. Blockchain has been really popular since Bitcoin came out. But blockchain has its limitations. These systems are closed off from the rest of the world, which might be good for security, but it limits the input data they can accept. So, there is a need for a kind of bridge that can help these systems. But, then again, the input cannot come from a single source because it would then rely on a centralized source of data, which goes against the nature of blockchain. This is the part where Chainlink comes as a solution. In this video, we'll be taking a look at everything you need to know about Chainlink and whether or not it's a worthwhile investment for you in 2022. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Chainlink is a cryptocurrency and technology platform that enables non-blockchain enterprises to securely connect with blockchain platforms. It is a sort of bridge that connects blockchain-based smart contracts with external data, such as baseball scores, stock prices, etc. Chainlink's currency is Link, which pays the network operators. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network or blockchain abstraction layer. Chainlink uses blockchain technology to securely enable computations on and off blockchain, supporting what it calls hybrid smart contracts. Chainlink gives blockchain developers an easy-to-use framework for writing hybrid smart contracts that connect to external resources by combining on-chain and off-chain computation. Chainlink developer experts are smart contract and blockchain developers with deep experience building with Chainlink who are passionate about sharing their technical knowledge with the world. Enterprises that use Chainlink can access any of the major blockchain networks, including Ethereum, Solana, and Terra. Some of the key features of Chainlink are: supports decentralized data feeds. Data from many sources can be securely collected and processed for hybrid smart contracts. Provides verifiable sources of randomness. Applications such as games that require cryptographically secure randomness can use Chainlink. Enables automation. Chainlink smart contracts can automate key functions and event-driven tasks for enterprises. Supports cross-blockchain interoperability. Chainlink can connect blockchain platforms to support the exchange of messages, tokens, and specific actions. But you must not confuse it with Ethereum. I know it might get confusing to differentiate, but listen to this. Ethereum tokens can be used to spend on purchases, to facilitate smart contracts, and to pay miners for operating the Ethereum network. Chainlink tokens have only a single use case, which is to pay node operators in the Chainlink network. Moreover, Chainlink's staking requirement is similar to the proof-of-stake operating protocol. Ethereum currently uses the proof-of-work method. But how does Chainlink work? Well, Chainlink essentially aims to bridge the gap between off-chain and on-chain resources. There are two main factors that we must consider: off-chain infrastructure, on-chain infrastructure. Off-chain resources are Oracle nodes that exist off the Chainlink network and are connected to the external blockchain. Most of the work performed by the off-chain Oracle is done through the collection of the data requested by the user. Requested data passes through Chainlink Core, which is a software that establishes a connection between the off-chain data and the Chainlink network. Chainlink Core then retrieves the processed data and delivers it to the on-chain Oracle. On-chain Oracles considers user requests for off-chain data submitted to the blockchain and processes them. The requests are finally routed to the appropriate smart contract. We hope you got the idea to some extent. You must have heard about the term hackathon, right? Well, the Chainlink hackathon is designed to simplify the learning process. By participating in the hackathon, Web3 developers can learn the fundamental skills that will help them build across any blockchain or help them set up for success in an increasingly multi-chain ecosystem. The Chainlink Spring 2022 hackathon is designed to accomplish two main goals: provide a low-stakes environment for new or less experienced Web3 developers as they build their first app, offer a top-quality hackathon experience for seasoned developers looking to bootstrap and scale their Web3 projects. By registering for the Chainlink Spring 2022 Hackathon, developers new to Web3 can receive world-class support as they progress on their learning journey. Specifically, the hackathon offers all participants complimentary access to world-class educational resources, high-quality learning materials, live workshops with hands-on mentorship, Q&As with developer advocates, an expansive network of like-minded individuals. If you're a developer looking to expand your technical skill set and gain experience building a fully functional Web3 application ready-made for a multi-chain world, the hackathon is a great way to fast-track your progress. Well, if you understood me correctly by now, then you need to know about Bootcamp. Chainlink gives blockchain developers an easy-to-use framework for writing hybrid smart contracts called Chainlink Developer Bootcamps. This bootcamp is designed to bring people together to learn how to build the next generation of smart contracts. Upon successful completion of the program, you'll know what a blockchain is, how smart contracts work, and how to create, deploy, and execute smart contracts that use Chainlink oracles to securely access off-chain data and computations. So, we are now going to tell you about some of the terminologies which are a must to understand. First one is data feeds. Chainlink data feeds are the quickest way to connect your smart contracts to the real-world data such as asset prices. One use for data feeds is to retrieve the latest pricing data of an asset in a single call and use that data either on-chain in a smart contract or off-chain in another application of your choice. Then comes the Chainlink Verifiable Random Function, or simply Chainlink VRF. It is a provably fair and verifiable random number generator that enables smart contracts to access random values without compromising security or usability. You might be wondering about what VRF actually is. Well, in cryptography, a VRF is a public key pseudorandom function that provides proof that its outputs were calculated correctly. The owner of the secret key can compute the function value as well as an associated proof for any input value. Anyways, there's a term of Chainlink keepers as well. Chainlink keepers allow smart contracts to outsource regular maintenance tasks in a trust-minimized and decentralized manner. The network aims to provide a protocol for incentivization of execution and governance of execution within the keeper ecosystem. All right. So far, so good at paying attention. So, do you guys have any idea about what an API is? Well, API is the acronym for Application Programming Interface, which is a software intermediary that allows two applications to talk to each other. Each time you use an app like Facebook, send an instant message, or check the weather on your phone, you are using an API. And now with Chainlink, you are provided with your smart contract with access to any external API. That means you can use any external API and it will work. You might have some idea about what nodes are. Well, Chainlink also has nodes. Operating a Chainlink node allows you to be part of the Chainlink network, helping developers build hybrid smart contracts and giving them access to real-world data and services. There are a lot of terminologies to remember, so you might lose track. But don't worry. It is very easy to understand. Well, next is keepers. Chainlink keepers allow smart contracts to outsource regular maintenance tasks in a trust-minimized and decentralized manner. The network aims to provide a protocol for incentivization of execution and governance of execution within the keeper ecosystem. By now you might only know proof of work and proof of stake because they are quite well known. Well, there is another proof of reserve as well. Proof of reserve traditionally refers to businesses that hold cryptocurrency, creating public attestations regarding their reserves to prove their solvency to their depositors via an independent audit. As these audits are commonly done by a centralized third party, they can be lengthy, time-consuming, and require manual processes. As developers continue to build increasingly sophisticated financial products in the digital asset ecosystem, a reliable, transparent, and decentralized standard is required to enable reserves to be audited using an automated process leveraging the superior transparency of blockchains, smart contracts, and oracles. Chainlink Proof of Reserve enables the reliable and timely monitoring of reserve assets using automated audits based on cryptographic truth. It provides smart contracts with the data needed to calculate the true collateralization of any on-chain asset backed by off-chain or cross-chain reserves. Operated by a decentralized network of oracles, Chainlink Proof of Reserve enables the autonomous auditing of collateral in real time, helping ensure user funds are protected from unforeseen fractional reserve practices and other fraudulent activity from off-chain custodians. Rather than forcing users to trust paper guarantees made by custodians, Chainlink POR can be deployed for automated on-chain audits that give users a superior guarantee of an asset's underlying collateralization and generate a higher degree of transparency for the crypto asset ecosystem around asset collateralization. Furthermore, it is also increasingly being used to help secure the minting, redeeming, and burning of wrapped assets. Once Chainlink Proof of Reserve determines that wrapped tokens are under-collateralized, Chainlink keepers can be used to halt the minting, redeeming, and burning of wrapped tokens. As a highly flexible and transparent Oracle network model, Proof of Reserve helps accelerate the growth of DeFi by providing collateralization data on a wide array of assets and unlocking cross-chain liquidity. Talking of cross-chain, well, open-source standards are for developers to easily build secure cross-chain services and applications. With a universal messaging interface, smart contracts can communicate across multiple blockchain networks, eliminating the need for developers to write custom code for building chain-specific integrations. Cross-chain interoperability protocol opens up a new category of DeFi applications that can be built by developers for a multi-chain ecosystem. Chainlink is the most widely used decentralized Oracle network, currently securing tens of billions in USD value for live applications across numerous blockchains and use cases. Tokenized real-world assets are among the most promising use cases for blockchain and smart contract technology. Town Crier uses TEE-based oracles to enable Chainlink Oracle nodes to perform advanced computations on data within a black box environment where data cannot be leaked, even to the node operator. Town Crier provides both data confidentiality and computation integrity, opening up new Oracle use cases like handling private keys for cryptocurrency payments or user login credentials for identity verifications. According to T-Systems MMS, by operating a Chainlink node, they will provide reliable real-world data to Chainlink network users and decentralized applications on Ethereum, further supporting the vision of public blockchains as a foundation for numerous use cases such as decentralized finance. Using an oracle, users can get on-demand verification of audit results directly on-chain, opening up use cases like automatic checks before certain transactions, such as high-value ones, or when acting as a trusted custodian for other users' funds. Alright, so it's now time to give you a little insight of an enterprise. Smart contracts provide ample opportunities for enterprises to cut costs and improve efficiency in multi-party business processes thanks to reductions in counterparty risk, intermediary overhead, and external disputes. However, in order to leverage smart contracts, enterprises require additional considerations around privacy, scalability, and connectivity in order to meet certain business and legal requirements. Chainlink provides a gateway for enterprises to both sell their data and API services to blockchain environments and satisfy certain technical requirements like on-chain access to private data, off-chain computation of contract logic, on-chain privacy of transactions, and much more. By the way, did you know international trade paperwork largely consists of three main documents? Well, there's a bill of lading, issued by a carrier to acknowledge receipt of cargo for shipment, an invoice, issued by a seller to a buyer regarding the details of a sales transaction, and a policy of insurance, a contract between the insurer and the policyholder stating the claims the insurer is legally required to pay. Each of these documents can benefit from oracles, which means it would be possible to use oracles to generate a bill of lading directly from data, provide foreign exchange rates to payment invoices, and provide quality control data to an on-chain policy of insurance contract to trigger settlement. Moreover, Chainlink Oracle networks securely support blockchain-based parametric insurance products with access to real-world data and off-chain computation so they can offer greater coverage to global markets. Chainlink supports applications that solve for a wide range of insurance use cases, including weather, crop, and disaster insurance, products specifically designed to improve the overall quality of life for communities worldwide. Chainlink oracles power top NFT and gaming applications across the blockchain ecosystem, helping dApps provide users with dynamic and provably fair gameplay. Chainlink helps ensure that NFT minting, distribution, and trade assignment is carried out in a provably secure manner so users can verify that their unique digital assets are indeed rare and one-of-a-kind. Chainlink brings secure entropy to blockchain games to randomize in-game parameters ranging from character distribution to map generation and everything in between to create truly unpredictable gameplay. Chainlink also has a very positive social impact. It enables socially conscious nonprofits, NGOs, enterprises, and other institutions to realize the power of smart contracts for supporting environmental sustainability, financial inclusion, and the common good. Chainlink has facilitated the launch of several new Oracle data services that allow dApps to access rich data from external data sources. These oracles expand the types of data available on Chainlink and include data and use cases that do not fit into the traditional Chainlink feed model. Data provider nodes allow customizable, on-demand API calls and the ability to deliver different data points on each request. This enables use cases where each requester requires a different piece of data. Community grants seek to empower more and more Chainlink ecosystem teams who are building key tools and infrastructure that accelerate the development of universally connected smart contracts and secure Oracle node infrastructure. Link price growth has been directly proportional to Chainlink's partnerships. Last year, Chainlink announced over 50-plus partnerships through their social media channel. Link's price saw a massive surge of 50% within 48 hours after they announced partnership with Google Cloud in June last year. Here are some of the Chainlink partners: Google Cloud, Oracle, dApps Incorporated, Matic Network, Reserve, Hedera Hashgraph, IOST. Recent partnerships: Binance, Bet Protocol, Ethereum Classic, Chainlink Blockchain. Let us quickly touch Chainlink goals, roadmap, and initial implementation. The overarching mission of Chainlink staking is to give ecosystem participants, including node operators and community members, the ability to increase the security guarantees and user assurances of Oracle services by backing them with staked Link tokens. Chainlink staking is being built around 4 long-term goals. Let's quickly have a look at them. 1. Increase the crypto economic security and user assurances of Chainlink services. 2. Enable community participation in the Chainlink network. 3. Generate sustainable rewards from real long-term use. 4. Empower node operators to access higher-value jobs by staking. The initial implementation of Chainlink is focused on creating a simple and secure foundation through which feedback can be gathered prior to expanding scope and adding more complexity to the staking design. The rollout of the staking mechanism will be similar to Chainlink price feeds, which went from a single ETH or USD price feed on Ethereum operated by 3 Oracle nodes to now supporting nearly 1,000 price feeds powered by 50-plus leading node operators across 12 blockchains and layer 2 solutions. This pragmatic approach allowed risks and opportunities to be identified in the early stages of the implementation before scaling to meet growing user demand. Let's have a brief look at Chainlink's roadmap. Chainlink launched its first decentralized Oracle network on the Ethereum mainnet following 3 successful security audits back in May 2019. Then, Chainlink price feeds launched to provide the smart contract ecosystem access to tamper-proof financial market data, enabling the creation of a wide range of DeFi applications. After a year of development and security audits, in February 2021, Chainlink off-chain reporting officially launched on mainnet, marking a major milestone in the scalability of Chainlink's decentralized Oracle networks. Then, the Chainlink 2.0 whitepaper was released in April 2021, outlining a foundation for hybrid smart contract adoption via off-chain computation and a decentralized meta layer. In May 2021, Verifiable Random Function was launched. Chainlink Verifiable Random Function utilizes verifiable random functions to generate randomness that is verifiable on-chain. To manage Chainlink's technology, another for-profit fintech company by the name of Smart Contract Chainlink Limited with Sergey Nazarov as CEO was founded. The company is based in the Cayman Islands. A worldwide developer and research team united under Chainlink Labs is further developing the Chainlink technology. If you are intrigued by now and investing in Chainlink, well, we know that already. So, don't worry, we will tell you exactly where you can buy it and how much it cost as of the making of this video. Link costs almost $6.26. You can buy it on Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, and all the other major crypto exchanges. We don't know when you will watch this video, so do your own research on the current market price. Because we can only tell you the insights. The decision of investment should always be your own because this is your hard-earned money and crypto can be a little tricky with profits. And with that, we will wrap up. Tell me in the comment section what you think about Chainlink. We hope you learned a lot about it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. We will see you in the next video with some more amazing crypto information.